AI is not becoming one industry. It is becoming every industry. That is the real shift. Not louder chatbots, not viral demos, not sci-fi robots. Real businesses are changing quietly. Hospitals are changing. Banks are changing. Law firms are changing. Restaurants are changing. Factories are changing. Even trucking is changing. But here is the question. Who wins when every business gets AI? Who loses when slow work disappears? Who profits when small teams move faster? This is bigger than software. It is a new business layer. Stay with this video, because this changes how money moves. Let's make it simple. Every industry runs on decisions. Who gets the lead? Which customer needs help? What price should we offer? Which risk matters most? Where is money being wasted? AI helps answer these faster. That is why it spreads. Not because companies love technology, because companies hate delays. Delays cost money. Mistakes cost money. Confusion costs money. Manual work costs money. AI attacks those costs. That is the core story. Think about healthcare. People imagine robot doctors. But the first change is simpler. AI reduces admin work. It helps with forms. It supports scheduling. It summarizes patient notes. It improves follow-up. That saves time. And time is money. Now look at law firms. Law is built on judgment. But paperwork slows everything. Research takes time. Contracts need review. Client intake gets messy. AI helps organize that work. Lawyers still make decisions, but they move faster. That changes margins. That changes pricing. That changes competition. Now think about real estate. Agents need trust, but they also need speed. AI can write listings. AI can analyze neighborhoods. AI can follow up leads. AI can explain market trends. One agent can scale faster. That creates a new edge. Logistics is another example. Trucking looks physical, but it runs on information. Routes matter. Fuel matters. Timing matters. Weather matters. Driver schedules matter. AI helps optimize these. It reduces wasted miles. It predicts delays. It protects margins. That is real business value. Restaurants will change too, not just with robot kitchens. AI can forecast demand. It can guide inventory. It can improve staffing. It can spot profit leaks. Small wins matter here. Restaurant margins are thin. Manufacturing already uses machines. AI adds prediction. Machines can warn before failure. Quality checks can improve. Production can adjust faster. Factories become less reactive. That creates serious advantage. Finance is already data-heavy. AI fits naturally there. It can review documents. It can flag fraud. It can summarize transactions. It can speed up approvals. Faster decisions reshape finance. Insurance will shift too. Claims can move faster. Risk can be scored better. Fraud can be detected earlier. Customer service can improve. But AI also creates new risks. So insurance changes twice. It uses AI internally. Then it insures AI problems. That is how new markets form. Every big technology does this. Cloud created cloud security. E-commerce created fulfillment tools. Mobile created app economies. AI will create its own layers. AI compliance. AI training. AI workflow design. AI data cleanup. AI risk audits. AI operations support. These are real opportunities. The winners may not be coders. They may be industry experts. A marketer using AI wins faster. A lawyer using AI serves better. A clinic using AI responds quicker. A founder using AI tests cheaper. The edge is combination. Domain knowledge plus AI leverage. AI alone is generic. Experience alone may become slow. Together, they create power. If this helps, subscribe now. Turn on the bell, too. We track these shifts weekly. Now here's the mistake. Most companies chase tools. They buy software first, then they search for problems. That is backwards. Smart companies start with friction. Where is work repeated? Where are customers waiting? Where do employees copy data? Where are errors expensive? Where are decisions slow? That is where AI belongs. AI is not strategy. AI is leverage. Strategy decides where leverage goes. This matters for entrepreneurs. You do not need a giant model. You need one painful workflow. Fix that workflow. Make it faster. Make it cheaper. Make it clearer. Then sell the result. Many boring industries need this. Boring industries have friction. Friction hides profit. That is the opportunity. Customers will also change. They will expect faster service. They will expect better answers. They will expect personalization. They will expect less waiting. Once one company improves, others look outdated. That pressure spreads AI adoption. Not overnight, but step by step. The future is not humans versus AI. It is humans with AI systems against humans without them. Some tasks will disappear. Some jobs will shrink. Some roles will grow. The valuable people will orchestrate work. They will ask better questions. They will check AI outputs. They will understand context. They will connect tools to revenue. That skill will matter everywhere. Business will split into two groups: companies that use intelligence well and companies that stay slow. That is the real divide. Every industry becomes an AI industry because every industry depends on intelligence. And intelligence is becoming infrastructure. This will question every business model. Who serves faster? Who spends less? Who reduces errors? Who scales with fewer people? Who understands customers better? Those companies will move ahead. The loudest AI companies may not win. The quiet AI operators might. They will improve ordinary businesses. They will reduce hidden waste. They will build better workflows. They will compound small advantages. That is how industries transform, not with one announcement, but with thousands of better decisions. The next AI winners may look boring. Clinics, agencies, banks, factories, law firms, logistics companies. But underneath, they will run differently. That is the signal to watch. In the next video, we will break down the biggest AI money opportunities. Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay ahead before the shift becomes obvious.